My name's Jonathan Norman from the Major Projects Knowledge Hub, and as part of our DFMA digital scrapbook, I asked Aman Sharma for her view on innovative procurement and smart contracting.
My name's Aman Sharma. I'm Head of Service Excellence at Simmons & Simmons, but prior to joining Simmons, I spent nearly 20 years working across 5 different sectors. So I'm really reflecting on those experiences in order to answer this question. I think it fundamentally comes down to behaviours and trust is at the heart of that. I think you can put together a number of standards, documents, etc. But at the end of the day, people have to be motivated to change their behaviour. How they can do this is by seeing other people change. Looking at other individuals often encourages other people to follow, sometimes, fingers crossed. So for me, it's about trying to get the right behaviours and also working in particular on competencies. We should be looking at defining the types of competencies, the competencies that we want to see. And we can do that from the start of the job specification, induction process. We can start at the very start of the journey when we recruit and build teams. I personally think the APM has done a lot to encourage the right type of competencies in both the technical and interpersonal skills that it defines in its wheel of capabilities. So I think there's lots of opportunities to build in trust and reinforce the right behaviours.